Regeneron started the work on its COVID antibody drug way back in January, here at its headquarters in Tarrytown, New York.
And it's moved at record speed. But still, the manufacturing process for each batch takes a total of 3 to 4 months. Why? These drugs are grown in living cells, derived from the ovaries of Chinese hamsters. It sounds crazy, but these cells are commonly used in biotech manufacturing. They're grown in a series of bioreactors that start small and get all the way up to big tanks like you might see in a brewery, except much cleaner. Then they start churning out the antibodies. That lengthy and controlled process is why Regeneron has just 50,000 doses available whenever the FDA gives the green light. It aims to get to 300,000 within a few months. Regeneron also partnered with Swiss drug giant Roche, and next year together they expect to make about 2 million treatment doses. Eli Lilly's in a similar position with its drug, 100,000 doses available now. With so many COVID cases mounting, CEOs of both companies say the drugs will initially need to be rationed. Industry experts like Dr. Scott Gottlieb say the government should have done more to secure supply.
These antibody drugs can be a bridge to a vaccine. We've been saying this since April and May. We're not going to have enough supply, unfortunately, because we didn't make the right decisions back then to ramp up production.
Operation Warp Speed has invested more than $10 billion in vaccines and less than $2 billion in therapeutics. But advisor Dr. Monsef Slaoui tells me therapeutics have been a key focus, and vaccines will be used by many more people.
For Regeneron, it's been a massive effort. The company moved production of all of its other medicines to Europe to free up its U.S. manufacturing capacity almost completely for its COVID drug, all under pandemic protocols. A huge push to try to help us all get back to normal. For the news, I'm Meg Terrell in Tarrytown, New York.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.